Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Javon Keys. Haughton's pharmacy in Manchester has spent more than $20 million for the rollout of a mobile application and drone delivery service. This was done with the assistance of a grant from the Development Bank of Jamaica, DBJ. Mobile applications are the way to go in this digital age. The more than 100-year-old Haughton's pharmacy in Manchester is taking on the new paradigm.
It features various user-friendly online options such as prescription medication management, over-the-counter purchases, and several delivery choices. Our RX Pack mobile app includes a digital wallet. This is branded RX Plus. The RX Plus digital wallet provides access to convenient, secure, and quick payments for all pharmacy essentials.
Stafford Haughton is Chief Operating Officer. At the launch on Thursday, it was revealed that in addition to the app, technology will be used to deliver goods in a 9-kilometer radius.
A unique delivery option is our drone house call delivery.
Managing Director of 1920 Investments Limited, which trades as Haughton Pharmacy, Francine Haughton Adam, says the application is designed with senior citizens in mind.
With built-in features such as dosage reminders of when to take your medication and prescription refill reminders 5 days prior to your prescriptions becoming due to be refilled.
Of the $24 million needed for the project, $17 million came from the Development Bank of Jamaica, DBJ.
We have funded this product that you're about to see through what we call our Innovation Grant Fund, which is available for medium-sized businesses looking to innovate and grow.
It is also designed to help businesses transition to digital systems. So we have grants that help businesses to improve their computer systems, and we have grants to help businesses do what you have just done, include data technology in their business and to improve their business processes.
Let's head to the markets now. Trading ended with banks and Cambio selling the US dollar for an average $156.59. $116.66 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar. The pound is selling for an average $199.67, while the euro ended trading for an average $173.26. Meanwhile, the JSE index gained 463 points today, while the junior market index lost 27 points. Among the 39 winners were Siboney Group, Caribbean Assurance Brokers, JMB Group, 7% variable cumulative redeemable preference shares, Lasco Financial Services, and Jamaica Stock Exchange. The 51 losers were led by AMG Packaging and Paper Company, Jamaica Public Service, 7% shares, Productive Business Solutions, 9.25% perpetual cumulative US dollar shares, Epley and Spurtree Spices Jamaica. 17 stocks closed the session, selling at the same price they started trading. And that's it for the Financial Week. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.